Guys, in today's video, we are going to spend 24 hours in a space capsule. Yeah. Oh, wait for me. So guys, the house you see behind me is a space capsule. The helicopter just took off, which left us over here in the space capsule. So without any further ado, let me take you inside to a space capsule. It's very futuristic here. And the look from up front here is something like this. Come on guys, come on. And this is our space capsule. Look at that. Oh, you stupid man, you're sleeping. We just got here. Idiot. And from here you can see that we have an awesome swimming pool. And the look from over here, mind-blowing. Look at that. Awesome view of the sea. And down over there is forest. Look at that. And guys, button for the swimming pool. And guys, we take bath like this. Whoa!
Oh, this is very small.
He completely soaked me. Bro, at least give a warning. Guys, these are aliens from Mars and completely brainless idiots. And I think we should clean the camera lens first. Guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you our space capsule from inside. But before that, look Manish, so many people watch our videos, but only these many people have subscribed and these many hasn't subscribed. I'm really sad.
Only this much
Only this many have subscribed.
So only these many people have
No. These many people have subscribed, but these many people are a little unhappy they haven't subscribed.
So these many people subscribe to the channel.
It's your brother's channel.
Yeah.
Okay guys, let me take you inside. So guys, this is the space capsule's futuristic gate. This doesn't open with a key. Either you should know the pin for this lock over here, or you should have with you an authorized key. So now let me take you inside. But I know you're not subscribing to the channel. I'm not going inside. Not going to show you.
Subscribe to the channel and he'll go inside.
And like the video. Till the time you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Editor, give our friends enough time to subscribe. Roll the intro. So guys, before going inside, I want to talk to you about an extra source of income, which comes from the Binomo app. Yes guys, in Binomo, you can trade and easily make a good amount of money. Yeah, that's right. So guys, I have given the link in the description below. Go there, click and download Binomo app. Start trading and start making extra money. I'll do one thing. I'll show you the Binomo app interface and also do a trade and show you. Guys, here we have opened the Binomo app. All you have to do is see if the graph goes up or goes down. And if your speculation is right, you are gonna earn a lot of money. Let me do a trade and show you guys. I'm going to trade with my real account here. I think the graph is going to go down, so I click on the down button and trade. And also you get an option for FAB ST, means in 5 seconds your trade will be over. Look at that. You can see that in front of you we have earned some money. And now I think that the graph will go up, so I'll click the up button and then wait for some time. 3, 2, 1 and bingo! And again we earn some more money. How awesome is that? And that being said, depositing money is very easy. There are a lot of options in this. Look here. You have UPI, PhonePe, Google Pay, a lot of them. My favorite is PhonePe and Google Pay. And withdrawing money is also very easy guys. Put your amount here, click on request withdrawal and easily you can withdraw your money. And one more good thing about Binomo is you get a demo account which already has $10,000 in it, with which you can learn how to trade. And after that you can open a real account and trade. So let me tell you once again, the link is in the description below. Go there and download the Binomo app. And if you download it from there, you're gonna get more extra benefits. Now let's go to the future house.
Let's go.
So guys, this is our space capsule. As soon as you enter, oh wow, it's literally so cool in here. Come on in, you'll see this. Come on in, look at that. Wow, look at this guys. This is our space capsule guys. This is our bedroom here. There's a beautiful flower here. And you lazy old man, what are you doing? Let me show them at least. Guys, do me a favor. Write something really bad for him. You get out now. Get out so that I can show the public.
I'll take the
flower.
flower.
No. This flower stays. It stays here. So guys, you can see the flower and the bedroom, and the view from here is absolutely beautiful, and the whole house, guys, can be controlled in 2-3 ways. What I mean to say is, you can control it with Alexa, Google. Get out of here! You can control the house with the help of Google and Alexa as well. And if required, you can use these buttons. Look at this. If I press this button, what happens? Lights turn off. And this one turns off the float lights. And this one turns off the strip lights. And if I press all of them again, then everything turns on. And now guys, I'm going to show you one more amazing thing. Now I have a button over here, and if I click it, look what's going to happen. Look at this, guys. Space view. As you can see, guys, how beautifully these curtains are opening. Isn't that awesome, guys? Yeah? Look at this, guys. Now you get a complete 360-degree view. Now let me wear the glasses. Come on. And from here I can see him. Look at that. Look at him floating around like some mermaid with all the bubbles and all. Taking bath like he has never bathed before. Idiot. And now guys, here is a small door. And if I open this, in the front you will get a space window, guys. Look at that. And look at the view from here. And look at this person. And look from here how beautiful this view is, isn't it? Like the video for the view, guys. And you can just sit here and enjoy, have food and things like that. And now let me take you back again to another room. Come on, guys, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Guys, our slippers are kept here. And here are some candles, beautiful candles. And these also look very futuristic. It's burned out. And guys, you can see there's another room here. There are a lot of futuristic smartphones lined up here. We are going to have an auction. Manish, I'm going to sell you a phone. And guys, this is a futuristic mirror. Oh, yeah. Yeah, guys, isn't it cool? And look at the table. And look at the chair. Oh, wow. Completely made from epoxy. Spectacular, guys. And here we have a futuristic dustbin. Look at this. And we have here, what is this? Even I don't know what it is, guys. I think it's an air freshener. Maybe a dehumidifier.
That's a water heater.
Water heater? Wow. Our cameraman knows. Clapping for cameraman. And guys, here you have a futuristic mosquito racket. That's kind of cool. And here is futuristic. I wouldn't say that. These chips we got from home for ourselves. And then there is this table which is made of epoxy, and then the bed. Ah, that's very nice. So awesome. And guys, let me open these curtains and show you. For this also you can ask Google, but if you don't want to ask Google, then you can press the buttons. Here are the buttons. Here goes. Now look how the curtains will open. Wow. This feels so satisfying. Yeah. Oh, our bag is kept here. This is so satisfying, guys. All the sunlight is coming directly in, and I feel like I'm sleeping in the open. And look at this, I'm sleeping in the open. No need to worry about mosquitoes, neither heat, because AC is all there. This is so awesome, you can't imagine. If you want to sleep under the sun in the open, sun is there. If you want to read in the sunlight, you can do that. No need to worry about mosquitoes because they can't come in. And if you're worried about the heat, there are ACs here. Tell me, isn't all this futuristic and space age? We can make something like this in Mars. If Mars is ever colonized, then we'll be making rooms like these, from which we'll be able to see outside. Look, there's an alien out there. A clumsy alien. And this is a very high-tech bath room. Guys, as you can see here, there's a sensor on the seat as well. Look at this. Meaning if you are sitting here, then it is going to sense you and it's going to flush automatically and everything would be automatically done. And here is the bathroom, a really high-tech bathing system. And if you close this, it's full privacy. And to operate all this, guys, we have buttons here. Look, right here, there are a lot of buttons. Meaning everything would be done from here. Like you can flush from here. And from here, you can remove the bad odors and add fragrance. There's a complete system here. Seat, sanitize, flush, child, user 1, 2, 3. And here, guys, look at this. This is a two-way mirror. And if I press this, look at this, guys. Wow. And look at this, guys. This is also very futuristic. Look at that. As soon as I got up, the flush worked automatically. And this is a futuristic hair dryer, bladeless. It doesn't have blades. And guys, this sensor will only work if there's weight on it. Where is the sensor? Where the hell is the sensor?
I think you'll have to sit for that.
But if I sit, my clothes might get wet.
Press now.
No, I don't want to get my behind wet.
Is it working? Something is happening.
Wait. Let me try like this. Ah. Look guys, as soon as I put my feet, it started working. Now let me try the wash mode. I press the wash button. Look, small jets are coming. Now I think it will work. Okay? Clicking the wash button. Washing. Isn't it funny?
Oh, something is coming out.
Look at that. Guys, let's increase the speed of washing.
All the water will come out.
Wait a minute. I think washing is done. All washed. It's flushing by itself. And now dryer. Here goes the dryer. Okay. Listen guys. Air is coming out. We are drying. It's washing our system. Got it guys? And now let me wash again. Wash. Yeah, look at that. It's come out. Guys, look. It's washing our system. How fast it's washing. Now the system has become stronger.
Wait, let me stand back. I'll get wet.
Now dried. Now our system is getting dried. Look at that. How it's coming out. Yeah.
Now just press this one.
Yeah, what is this? Let me see.
No idea.
I think that's enough. Cleaning, drying, the whole system is here. Let me wash my hands. It'll flush by itself. You can just leave it, it'll flush by itself. So let's close this. For kids and all, there are different user settings here. Guys, there are a lot of things here. There's a projector over there. I'll show you everything. But after it gets a little dark, because I'm getting pretty hungry now, let me go and eat some food. And now I'm going to show you our car. Guys, our car doesn't match the color of our shoes, but it definitely matches the color of our socks.
You call me fuego, cause I'm hot like fire. And you can't let go, cause I'm higher. And you keep staying on top, higher, you know that's right. High like fire, oh yeah. We fuego, we fuego, we fuego, hot like fire, oh yeah.
Welcome home, guys! And at night, our space capsule looks completely different. Look at this. Wow! Oh boy! Look at this, guys, how spectacular this is. And look at the shining stars. Oh, look at the sky. There's no light pollution here. You can see all the stars. So many of them. Guys, this is very bad. These idiots left me here and went to the beach all by themselves. Now I will have to do all the work. So let's arrange for some food. Let me bring these down. Guys, we don't have stove or anything like that. All we have is a barbecue here. We'll make everything in this. Every time I come here, it's like really fun. Absolutely amazing with all the open air and all. And extremely quiet. What a place. Guys, now we're gonna have fun. We're gonna cook near the sea. Yeah! Guys, many people complain to me that we live in the city and how can we have fun like you? Look at this. This is a luxurious space capsule. And I couldn't find anything conventional here. Whatever I got, I have to adjust with it. Like the barbecue here. I'm going to barbecue my food on this. And I'm going to make rice on this. In a desi way. So the moral of the story is that whatever the conditions you are in, wherever you are staying, in whatever condition, that's all the best. It depends completely on you how you're gonna find happiness. Small happy moments are all you need. By the way, you can also try all this, but in case you can't do it, subscribe to the channel. Your bro is doing all this for you, right? Okay, it's time for me to heat the oil.
corazón destruido no deja de palpitar, de palpitar. Mi amor es franco y fiel, no tiene fronteras y no maldad. Mi amor es franco y fiel, no tiene fronteras y no maldad. El río fluye, nunca solo está, no solo está. El río fluye, nunca solo está, no solo está.
Guys, the rice is ready. Let me keep it here. And let's wait for some time. Guys, our team has also come. And Dinesh, and this big fish is going into the water. Oh, remember, don't mess up the rice.
I don't know how to swim.
You idiot, how can you die in such a small pool? And here we are making our bati. Look at this bati. So beautiful. Wow. Awesome. Look all the things we are doing with one barbecue. Oh, you still alive? Oh, I'm so hungry. As soon as this bati is ready, we'll start our food. Yum. Guys, our bati is ready. Okay, guys, let's have food. You also come. Let's have food. Come on, fast, fast. Guys, the fun of eating food here, I can't explain this in words because I can't just describe it. Really, there is no words or sentences to explain these feelings.
Yeah.
Bro, you having this one, okay? Yeah, he's okay.
Oh, don't take the onion.
Stab him. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll do it very soon.
Okay, guys,
Khana
let's have
khate hain?
food.
Es franco y fiel, no tiene fronteras y no maldad. Mi amor es franco y fiel, no tiene fronteras y no maldad. El río fluye, nunca solo está, no solo está. El río fluye, nunca solo está, no solo está.
Come on. Okay, Google, turn on all lights.
Sure, turning 16 switches on.
We also have a projector. Turn off the lights. Okay, Google, turn off all lights. Manish, you're gonna get kicked for this.
Your number will come on 35. Just chill. Thar doesn't fly like this. Get it down. Get it down. This is not the right way. I'll show you how Thar flies. Get it down. I'll show you.
Bro, before flying this, public wants a durability test.
Durability test.
Yes.
Durability test. Ha. Vikram.
Yes, bro.
People modify Thar.
Yes, they do.
People take their Thar into the snow.
Yes, they do.
People Oh, go take and Thar sleep. to the desert.
You're correct.
Why are you laughing?
The culprit is there.
Don't do this. Please. I tell you, don't do this.
Turn it off, bro.
What did I tell you? Durability test. Has anyone ever done a durability test for the Thar? No. We will take the responsibility, and in today's video, we're going to put the Thar through a durability test. I will remove the fuse. Our blood's got titanium in it. You guys don't try this at home.
Oh, don't go there. You'll kill yourself.
Good night, guys. Oh. Bro, sorry.
Okay.
We are all sleeping. You watch later.
Next time, I need that room.
Okay. Sure. Bro, please, good night.
Guys, it's already morning and the breakfast is ready. Manish is already eating. Bro is still sleeping, so let's go and wake him up. Wake up. It's morning. Come on, have breakfast. Come on, wash your face.
Oh, wow.
Isn't it beautiful?
Guys. Look at the view, guys. Awesome. Wow. Amazing. Guys, every time we come here, we get to see new views and sceneries, new seasons and new things. Oh, you scoundrels. Guys, now you tell me, is this right? I cook the food in the evening and also feed them, and in the morning, they cook and they don't even wake me up. Anyway, guys, we have some leftover rice from yesterday. Let's have breakfast first. Then I'll show you the personal beach that we have. We'll go there and have fun on the beach.
Beach.
Oh,
Guys, now we go to the beach. We had breakfast and fully charged now. Oh, our car looks so awesome, right? And look at the place where it's parked. Blending into the colorful background. Isn't it nice? Guys, the beach is private, so the way to the beach is also private. So we will have to go through the jungle. But that's alright. We are very adventurous. Let's go. Woohoo! 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 Guys, we are at the beach. Wow! What a view, brothers! Woohoo! Guys, the water over here is very, very clean. Look at how clear the water is, guys. It's very clear. Listen, Manish, let's go. Let's take a dip. Let's go to the swimming pool. The view from there is so good. I can't just get enough of it. Let's go. Guys, we are back at our space capsule, and let me tell you guys why we call this the space capsule. Because the design is exactly like that. Just imagine if you're gonna colonize Mars ever, if you're gonna stay there, maybe the houses that we make, their design, they might turn out exactly like this. All the four sides would have a layer that would save us from the atmosphere. Inside, oxygen and compressed air, the atmospheric pressure would be suitable for us inside this pressurized cabin. And all the four sides would have glass panes so that you can see the Martian terrain from all sides because you can't go outside. So that is why we call this the space capsule. But I'm tired, guys. Look above, the sunlight is coming straight through.
Bro, let's do one thing.
Yeah.
Let's go to the pool.
What?
Pool.
That's a great idea, guys. I haven't taken a bath. Let's go to the pool. Let's go!
Yeah, I'm coming.
Guys, the floor is hot because we are on Mars. Wonderful, guys. I just got the chance to get in today only since we had come here. I took a bath but not in the pool. That's today. Awesome, guys. Manish, turn on the jets. Turn on the jets.
It's on.
Guys, the jets are on. Woo! Wow. Guys, this is live. Hey, let's sit like the foreigners. Sit like this, right? So guys, that's it for today. I hope that you guys liked our capsule house. And let us know in the comments below how you like this video. And we'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, Jai Hind!
Jai Bharat!
So finally, guys, like Saurabh bro, we are all bathed and ready. And now it's time for us to go. But you guys comment and let me know how you like this place, and if you guys want to know more about the secret places where we spend our vacations and you want me to share that also with you, so do let me know in the comments below. But I need to dry this, and to do that I'll have to, bro, wait, keep that aside. So to dry this, I'm going to simply do this. So if you're driving, then just put it like this, and when we drive, this will automatically dry. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, Manish. So till then, Jai Hind,
Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat. See you guys.